You searched for a product on Amazon. You picked the top result. You just made Amazon money twice. That sponsored tag above the result. That seller paid to be there. Every single click. Amazon made $68.6 billion from ads alone in 2025. That's bigger than Netflix's entire revenue. This isn't a side hustle. Amazon advertising is the engine powering the whole machine. Let's expose it. Every time someone searches on Amazon, a silent auction happens in milliseconds. You never see it. Sellers bid on keywords. The highest bidder wins the top spot. Loser, page 2. Basically invisible. The winner doesn't pay their full bid. They pay 1 cent more than the second highest bidder. Classic auction. Amazon calls this sponsored products. It's 88% of all their search ad revenue. One format dominates. Sellers don't just advertise. They must advertise now. Organic reach is dying on the platform. There are 3 weapons in the Amazon advertising arsenal. Most sellers only use one. Big mistake. Sponsored products. Individual listings. They blend into search results. You almost can't tell them apart. Sponsored brands. Your logo, your headline, top of the page. Pure brand domination from the first glance. Sponsored display. These ads follow shoppers. You visit a product, leave. The ad finds you on Google. Here's what makes Amazon advertising untouchable. Purchase data. Google knows what you searched. Amazon knows what you bought. Over 300 million active Amazon customers. Every click, every purchase, tracked, profiled, sold back to advertisers. Google sells intent. Facebook sells interest. Amazon sells proof of purchase. That's a completely different game. That's why non-endemic brands, cars, banks, travel, are now buying Amazon advertising at record rates. In Q4 2024, Amazon's ad business hit $17.3 billion in a single quarter. One quarter. By 2025, that grew 22% year over year to $68.6 billion annually. It's Amazon's fastest growing segment. By 2026, projections hit $88.6 billion. That's larger than the entire global music industry. For context, Amazon's ad revenue in Q2 2025 alone was bigger than Amazon's entire revenue in Q2 2012. Now here's the part nobody talks about. Amazon double dips. They charge sellers to list, then charge again to be seen. Seller pays 15% referral fee on the sale, then pays CPC ads to drive traffic, then pays FBA if they use fulfillment. The product could fail. Amazon still got paid. The ads still ran. The fees still charged. The risk is yours. This is why Amazon advertising is now growing faster than the rest of Amazon combined. It's pure margin. The auction is engineered to make you spend more. Competition rises, bids rise, Amazon profits, always. ACoS, advertising cost of sale, typically runs 25% to 36%. That's your real margin killer. Most sellers set budgets on autopilot. Amazon's algorithm spends every dollar you give it. Budget set, budget gone. Smart sellers know lower ACoS not equal to more profit. Sometimes a higher ACoS builds ranking that earns organic sales later. Now Amazon advertising is expanding beyond search. Prime Video ads launched in 2024, a whole new front. Brands that never sold on Amazon, car dealers, airlines, banks, can now run ads inside Prime shows. This is the full funnel takeover. Top of funnel, Prime Video. Middle, sponsored brands. Bottom, sponsored products. Andy Jassy called it full funnel advertising. Translation: Amazon wants your entire marketing budget. Enter the Amazon DSP, demand side platform. You can buy Amazon audience data and run ads off Amazon entirely. Pinterest, BuzzFeed, Hearst, Mashable. Amazon's sponsored products now follow shoppers across the internet. You browsed a blender on Amazon. Didn't buy. Now that blender is in your Instagram feed. That's Amazon DSP retargeting. Non-endemic advertisers, 23.8% of Amazon's ad base now, up from just 9.1% in 2023. Explosive shift. If you're a seller, Amazon advertising is not optional anymore. The organic algorithm is pay-to-play now. New sellers, no sales history, no reviews, no ranking. The only door in? Advertising. You pay to prove yourself. Established brands? Your competitors run ads on your product page. You're hosting ads for your rivals. For free. ACoS averaging 36% in competitive niches means you can burn money faster than you earn it without expertise. Here's what actually works in Amazon advertising right now. These are the 3 levers that change everything. Lever 1. Keyword harvesting. Run auto campaigns first. Mine the winners. Promote them to manual. Repeat. Lever 2. Negative keywords. Block irrelevant searches. Stop bleeding budget on zero conversion traffic. Lever 3. Bid timing. Not all hours convert equally. Schedule bids to peak during your category's buying window. Most sellers run all-day campaigns. That's why most sellers lose money on ads. Schedule. It's basic. It's ignored. Here's the real secret. Amazon advertising feeds the flywheel. Ads drive sales. Sales drive reviews. Reviews drive ranking. Higher ranking means lower ACoS over time. The machine pays for itself, but only if you start the engine right. Amazon knows this. It's why they make onboarding ads so easy. Click, spend, hope. Most beginner accounts lose in year 1. Amazon even offers automatic targeting. Their algorithm picks your keywords. Convenience equals control handed to them. Where is Amazon advertising going in 2026? 3 words: AI, streaming, and global domination. Amazon is deploying AI-powered contextual ads. The ad reads the content of the page. No cookies needed. The Roku partnership is live. Your Amazon ad can now appear on millions of smart TVs during streaming content. Alexa Plus is next. Imagine voice-targeted ads inside your AI assistant. Amazon is building that pipeline right now. By 2026, Amazon's ad revenue is projected at $88.6 billion. That's not a media company anymore. That's a media empire. Is this good for consumers? Ads that blend with organic results. Subtle labels, blurred lines. Worth asking. The FTC has looked at Amazon's practices. The pay-to-play ecosystem raises questions about marketplace fairness. For sellers, the algorithm now rewards ad spend indirectly through ranking signals. Pure organic is nearly gone. Smart brands don't just run ads. They use Amazon Marketing Cloud, AMC, to see the full customer journey. AMC lets you see, did Prime Video ad viewers convert more than sponsored products viewers? Data most brands ignore. The brands winning on Amazon advertising aren't spending more. They're measuring smarter. Attribution is the edge. Combine sponsored products plus DSP retargeting plus Prime Video awareness. That's the full funnel stack that beats the algorithm. Let's recap the numbers that matter, because Amazon advertising by the data is staggering, even to insiders. $68.6 billion in 2025 ad revenue. 22% year-over-year growth. Number 3, digital ad platform on Earth. After Google and Meta, 88% of ad revenue from sponsored products alone. 23.8% of advertisers are non-endemic brands now. By 2026, $88.6 billion projected. more than the music, film, and radio ad industries combined. Amazon advertising isn't just growing. It's restructuring how commerce and media work together, permanently. If you sell anything, physical, digital, service, understanding Amazon advertising is now table stakes. Full stop. I spent weeks mapping this system into a tool so you don't have to start from scratch. It's on my Patreon. It's a full Amazon advertising audit framework, keyword tracker, ACoS calculator, campaign structure template, all in one. Patreon members also get the monthly ad trend report. What keywords are heating up? What niches are oversaturated? Link in the description. Come in, use the tool, skip the months of trial and error. That's why I built it. If this broke down Amazon advertising in a way that finally made it click, hit subscribe. Next video drops Thursday. See you next week.